Welcome back to our YouTube channel Leela, where we explore natural remedies and DIY skincare. In today's video, we will be sharing a simple yet effective recipe for a homemade toner that targets dark circles and reduces puffiness around the eyes. Our secret ingredients to make this toner? Ground dried rose and dried chamomile flowers. Roses are rich in antioxidants, which can help rejuvenate the delicate skin around the eyes. These can be easily obtained by grinding dried rose petals using a mortar and pestle or a coffee grinder. Dried chamomile flowers contain bisabolol and flavonoids, which are beneficial compounds with soothing and anti-inflammatory effects found in the flowers. These two powerhouses. Soothing properties of rose flowers and anti-inflammatory and skin-nourishing qualities of chamomile flowers will create a potent toner that can help improve the appearance of dark circles and reduce puffiness. Let's proceed to the preparation of our toner. Take a clean glass bottle and add the ground dried rose and dried chamomile flowers, steeping it in hot water. Allow the mixture to steep and infuse for at least 24 hours. This will allow the toner to absorb all the goodness from the rose and chamomile flowers. We pour and filter the mixture, secure the bottle with a tight-fitting lid, and give it a good shake to mix the ingredients thoroughly. And there you have it, your homemade toner for dark circles and puffiness using ground dried rose flowers and chamomile flowers infusion. To use the toner, simply apply a small amount onto a cotton pad and gently dab it around your eyes. You can use it in your daily skincare routine, preferably in the morning and evening, for optimal results. Remember, this toner is made from natural ingredients, but it's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying it to your face. If any irritation occurs, discontinue use immediately. And keep in mind that homemade remedies may not have the same potency or immediate results as store-bought products. If you have any underlying skin conditions or concerns, it's best to consult with a dermatologist before trying any new skincare routine or DIY treatment. We hope you enjoyed this DIY skincare recipe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Leela. Nurturing beauty naturally, embrace the organic glow.